3, go.
Hello everybody, this is Uvie Art and I'm back again with another challenge number 5, and today's challenge is called Metamorphosis. Yeah, I know that's a big word to illustrate, but when I think of metamorphosis, I think of change. That's what I see. Change, new beginning. So I try to use my Zentangle designs to illustrate this metamorphosis, and I don't know, I was freestyling. This was what came to me. Be a flower bud transforming or blooming into a nice, beautiful plant, the leaves and the seeds falling out and all those things. That's what I was trying to illustrate. And I hope you guys enjoy watching me create, Stay tuned for day 6 challenge. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my YouTube, my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Pinterest, guys. I hope you're having as much fun as I am. Ciao.
나약한 모습은 숨기고 살아야지. 사람들은 겉모습만 판단하니까 하나 둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가네. 별거 없어 믿은 내 잘못이지. It's hurting me, but I have to pretend no one cares about me. I'm so lonely. Oh, 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 oh. 난 모를 거야. 아마 날 모를 거야. 웃고 있는 내 모습은 진짜가 아니야. 내 자신이 미워서 한참을 울었어. 그래야 기분이 나아질 것 같아서 내일이 오면 나는 또다시 어제 입었던 옷을 입고서 have to fake myself. 나약한 모습은 숨기고 살아야지. 사람들은 겉모습만 판단하니까 하나 둘씩 사람들은 날 떠나가네. 별거 없어 믿은 내 잘못이지. It's hurting me, but I have to pretend no one cares about me. I'm so lonely. da da